greetings to everyone present here. I'm Iram Gafoor, and it's my fortune to be a part of this gathering where we are celebrating and welcoming the birth anniversary of a person who physically was just a mad collection of bones, and his skeleton was clearly visible under his thin skin, clad in a plain white cloth, having no weapon, no magic wand in his hand, but a simple stick to help his heading steps. But his impact was so immense over the great India and the whole world that he appeared to be loftier than the loftiest peak of this planet, deeper than the deepest sea in this earth, and wider than the wider plain of this world. Yes, I am expatiating about a person who needs no introduction and who is franchised by the most felicitous title, Mahatma. Great soul. When I learned about him, I made certain wishes. I wish that a play like Harishchandra would impact or live so deeply that we will become the priests of truth. I wish that a book like Shravanapitri Bhakti Natika would affect us so immensely that we would become sympathetic towards our seniors, juniors, parents, teachers, elders, and towards every breathing creature over the surface of the earth. And thus, we will become non-violent. Coming to the theme of today's discussion, truth and non-violence, a Ghandian approach to life. No doubt Mahatma Gandhi was a staunch devout of truth and non-violence. He was truthful because he always remained willing to know his own flaws, and because in the dire circumstances, he never commanded his countrymen to follow the path of violence. Be it the civil disobedience movement, Quit India movement, be it his own imprisonment, or be it the whole Indian national movement, he never ever commanded his countrymen to become the advocate of violence. This is just the one side of the coin, because we are talking about all this in the historical context. Let's flip the coin and now its practical application and its relevance in the contemporary times. Talking of which, my heart actually aches. Because we, the own countrymen of Gandhi, are the biggest patrons of falsehood and violence. Democracy that we follow. And we have adopted Satyamed Jayate as our motto, but we are not truthful anymore. Because democracy that we follow, it requires accountability and transparency. Both are the part of the truth. Probably that is lacking somewhere, because of which India is ranked as the 84th most corrupt country by the Transparency International in its 2021 report. Media, the biggest source of information for the people, it is continuously misleading the people by its biased opinion and its fake news. Social cohesion, the society that lives in, it's intertwined by the delicate coexistence of different traditions, cultures, values, beliefs, and morals, when it's continuously being disturbed by the intrusion of miscommunication. Talking about violence, isn't it ironical that a country whose leader is being celebrated, his birthday is being celebrated as the International Day of Non-Violence, his own countrymen are the biggest followers of violence, be it the violence of 1964, 84, be it the violence of 2013 or 20. Here's the question for the beautiful youth sitting here. Is this how we are going to cherish, flourish, and nourish the rich and the auspicious legacy that we have gained? Definitely not. We have to bring the change, and I believe we can. Because we are the Indians who stood against the mightiest British Empire, and we forced them to get on their knees and to bow before our non-violence, before our truth, and before our feeling of nationhood. My dear friends, you all must be thinking, I was taking the critical aspect throughout my discourse. I was. Because I do not believe in the tapping of our backs and our achievements. We were striving for its improvement and our self-perfection. I believe we can be the change. And be the change that we want to see in the world. With this message, I want to conclude by saying with a very beautiful thought. In this world, often characterized by hatred and deception, I have often found solace in the timeless wisdom of Mahatma Gandhi. Thank you so much for being such a beautiful audience. Thank you so much for your time.